Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Nano Banana AI for free. So if you want to use the Nano Banana AI for your projects or maybe for any other purpose, in this video I'll show you how you can use it totally for free. So first you have to make sure you have the Google Gemini app. If not, then you can get it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have it, simply click onto its icon to open it. Once the app gets open, then in the prompt box, you will see the icon of banana along with written image. So this technology is called Nano Banana AI. It is available in all different plans of Google Gemini. What you have to do is you have to just simply select any version if you would like to. Otherwise, you can go with the default one, which is 2.5 flash. Simply start using this app and you will be able to use the Nano Banana AI for free. Whatever you want to ask it, you can do it and you will get the answer according to it. You can ask it to generate an image, you can use it for research purposes, you can do it to solve any math equation or maybe any other educational problem. Like you use the ChatGPT, the same way you can use it, but this technology is much faster and efficient than the ChatGPT, so you can use it. And the Nano Banana AI technology will be free in its all version, so you can ask it to do anything or for whatever purpose you would like to use it, you will be able to do it. You don't have to specifically go to any other place to purchase the Nano Banana AI. You just have to come to Google Gemini app and you will be able to use it for free. So that's how you will be able to use Nano Banana AI for free. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.